Today we will be installing a cabinet fan system by AC Infinity. Two AC Infinity airplates will be used. The T7 with thermostat will cool the game system side, while the S7 airplate and T9 top exhaust component will be used to cool the AV receiver side. Both systems will be independent of one another. The two exhaust fans will be installed as high as possible in the cabinet, while this AV furniture has cutouts in the bottom. We will be making a few more for fresh air. We built spacers so that we can not have the fan system stick too far inside the cabinet. Even though it doesn't, we just don't have room for it. The T7 will be cooling the game system side, while the S7 will be running in parallel with the component. You can use the plug-ins, which will add 25% more power to the fans, but we're going to use the USB ports instead. We're going to start by installing the template on the inside and drill the 4 bolt holes, and then take the template and put it on the outside before cutting. We have transferred the template to the outside, mask tape the area for protection of the furniture as we use the saw. And now we're ready for cutting. First, we're going to start out with some pilot holes. Now we're going to take them to full size for the saw. Now we're going to cut it out, stay on the outside of the line. We have cut it out and we're ready for installation. As you can see, we've almost completely installed the fan. However, in my case, I used a spacer, so I had to re-drill the 4 holes through the spacer, and now we put the bolts in, which are longer because the supply bolts are too short, and it also comes with wood screws. As you can tell, we've got this side already cut out. You do not have to use a thermostat on the game system side because you can also plug it in to your USB port, and then when the game system is on, it will come on. But we chose to use a thermostat. We have installed the second fan and thermostat. We have finished this side of the installation. This is the game system side, and it runs off of this thermostat. It is set to smart. As you can tell, this AV furniture has slits in the bottom to let in fresh air, but we're going to give it a little bit more room to keep our equipment cool. As you can tell, we've finished this side. Now we're going to do the other. Voila, we're finished. We have had this piece of AV furniture for about a month now. The first modification was where I need to put my surge protector, and I had no other place to put it except for in the center. So we shortened the drawer, and I'll show you the behind. As you can tell, by modifying the drawer, we were able to put our surge protector out of the way and usable. This side, the AV receiver side, runs off a T9 3-fan top exhaust fan system. It is set to smart, and it turns on the T7 plate. Here we are at the end of our installation of the T7, S7, and Aircom T9. We ran the fans last night and could not get above 91 degrees in either cabinet. That's all, folks.